beautiful friends. Today I'm going to make ginger ale from the ginger bugs I started last week. I hope you like this video. You'll subscribe and you'll let me know what you think. And you will try this recipe and make some ginger ale instead of buying it from the supermarket. Here you have my ginger bug made out of brown sugar. And here's my ginger bug made out of white granulated cane sugar. In this pot, I have 2 quarts of water. To make the ginger ale, I would need to use at least 2 inches of ginger to 1 quart of water, along with 1/3 of a cup of granulated white sugar, brown sugar, and that is for the one that I'm using with the ginger bug I made with the brown sugar, and for the ginger bug I made with the white sugar. I'm going to add a lemon, the juice of a lemon, to each one of them. In this pot, I have 2 quarts of water boiling, and that is to make the 2 quarts of ginger ale. I'm going to add the ginger. And let it come to a boil. The ginger is simmering right now. It should be ready. So it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna let the ginger cool down, and at that time, when it's cool enough, I'm going to add the sugar, the ginger bug, the lemon, and bottle it up and leave it on the counter for the next 2 days for the CO2 to form. I'm going to go ahead and strain this. And as you know, 2 pints is a quart, so I'm going up to here on this jar, to the 2 pints level. So as you can see, I have 2 pints. I'm going to fill the other jar now. So here you have it. I have the 2 jars filled up. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar. I need a 3/4 cup of sugar. So in this jar, I'm going to use the brown sugar. And in this jar, I'm going to use the white granulated sugar. I'm going to add the lemon juice, and stir it well. the sugar in well. And when it has cooled down to room temperature, I'm going to add the ginger bug. A 1/4 cup. So I'm going to leave it here to cool for a little. Now, this is the ginger bug. You could see inside there are bubbles forming. I'm going to add this to the brown sugar mixture and stir it in. I'm just going to put a lid on, and I'm going to leave this on the counter for 2 days. This is the white, and I think that the white is better because if you see there are more bubbles, more of the yeast formed in the white sugar than the brown. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these two on the counter for 2 days, and after 2 days I'll put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours to cool and chill, and then I'll show you the drink, the ginger ale, once it's completed. And these two ginger bugs, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, and I will feed them once a week with 2 spoons of ginger and 1 spoon of sugar. And I will have ginger bugs forever with these two. So these are the 2 ginger ale that I've made. This one is with the white sugar. I'm going to taste. And this one here is with the brown sugar. Try this. Oh, this is so good. Really nice. Let me try this one. They're both delicious. So you can make with the white sugar or the brown sugar. They're both really delicious and nice and very fizzy. You could probably hear me burping. So there you have it, ginger ale. I hope you liked this video. I hope you'll subscribe and let me know what you think about this, and make some ginger ale instead of buying it from the supermarket.